Good day, everyone, and welcome again to another episode of English Lessons with Pushaban. Today, we are going to talk about nouns. Noun is a part of speech that talks about the name of a person, animals, places, or things. There are different types of nouns, and in the next slides, we are going to talk about them. A noun could be a common noun or a proper noun. When we say common noun, these are names of people, places, or things in general. For example, author, city, planet, language. Proper nouns are name of specific people, places, things, or ideas. For example, author is a common noun. If we want to give a specific name of an author, we could say Leo Tolstoy for an example. City, we have Paris. For planet, we have Neptune. For language, we have Spanish. It could be Chinese, English, or French. As we can observe in this picture, proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Here are other more examples. For company, we have Amazon Inc. For a car, which is a common noun, we have a proper name, Audi. For vaccine, we have Pfizer. Again, we must remember that a proper noun is always capitalized. A noun can also be classified as a countable noun or uncountable noun. Countable nouns, or count nouns as we sometimes call it, can be singular or plural in form because we can count them with numbers or determiners such as a or an. As in the pictures, we have 3 eggs, or a banana, we have an apple, we have 2 carrots, we have 5 tomatoes. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, cannot be counted because they are substances, liquids, or abstract ideas. We also call it mass nouns. For example, we have milk, we have flour, we have salt, sugar, honey, or rice. These nouns we cannot really count as 1, 2, or 3. Instead, we use quantifiers to count them. A noun can also be concrete and abstract. We consider a noun as concrete if we can perceive it using our 5 senses. That means we can see it, we can touch it, we can hear it, we can smell it. For example, this group of concrete nouns, we have pony, we have girl, we have book, we have tree, we have car. These nouns have the physical existence, right? Contrary to abstract nouns, which we cannot see, touch, hear, or smell, because they have no physical existence. Trust, happiness, knowledge, health, and love, these are ideas and emotions and concepts. These are examples of abstract nouns. Another type of noun is a compound noun. Compound nouns are 2 or more words that we put together to create a new noun. For example, we have sea and then food. We put them together, we have seafood. Here are ways compound nouns are written. Some compound nouns are written with spaces or separate words, such as ice cream, swimming pool, bus stop, living room. Some nouns are written without spaces or as one word. For example, classmate, greenhouse, grasshopper, or lifespan. Some nouns are written using hyphens such as mother-in-law, try cleaning, self-confidence, or merry-go-round. The last type of noun that we are going to discuss is collective noun. It's actually name of group of people, animals, or things. In our first list, we have here collective noun of people. We call group of singers a choir, group of tourists a flock, group of dancers a troupe, group of students a class, and group of soldiers an army. We usually write these collective nouns with the plural nouns of the group they are named after. For example, a choir of singers, a flock of tourists, a class of students, an army of soldiers, and so on. But it is also acceptable that we simply get the collective noun when we use them in a sentence. For example, a choir is presenting. An army is training. A class will have its field trip next week. Let's look at some more lists. These are lists of collective nouns of animals or insects. So we have here group of ants, we call them army. Group of sheep, we call them flock as well. Group of lions, we call them pride. Group of fish, we call them school. And group of ducks, we call them paddling. For things, we have bouquet of flowers, a wad of notes, a bunch of keys, basket of fruits, and forests of trees. Today, we have learned that a noun can either be a common or proper noun, countable or uncountable noun, concrete and abstract, compound, or collective noun. If you like this video and you want to know more, you may visit our website at www.thebsblearning.com. Leave us a note at info@bsblearning.com. Reach or call us at the following numbers: +886 986 388 472 or +639 17819 6389. Thank you and see you in the next video.